treasure map. But to find the treasure, he must collect all the ABC letters. Will you help, Chiku? Let's go! A is for apple and bright. Take a bite, what a delight. A says.
A golden letter appears and goes into Chiku's magic backpack.
B is for bear, big and brown. Wave hello, don't you frown. B says.
C is for car, zoom so fast.
Beep, 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 driving past.
Say, say,
Say! D is for dinosaur, roar out loud.
stomp your feet.
Make us proud. E is for eagle, fly so high. Spread your wings, touch the sky. F is for flower, pink and blue. Smell the petal, one for you. F for bag, dash.
E for giraffe.
H for horse. I for ice cream can. J for jelly. K for Django roll. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. O for owl. P for panda. T for panda. Q for queen. Q for tree. R for robot. S for star. T for turtle. T for turtle. U for unicorn. V for volcano. W for watermelon. Rex for xylophone. Nine. I for yacht. C for seabird. Treasure. And D. Look, the treasure chest is opening. We did it.
We found the alphabet treasure.
Thank you for helping me.
And it's
Mayhem! It found the alphabet treasure. Thank you for helping me.
big help.
Wait, hello, we found the alphabet treasure. Thank you for helping me. A, B, C, come with me. Letters make learning fun. Sing each day, hip hooray. You're a superstar, everyone. Amazing job, little stars. You helped Chiku find the magical alphabet treasure. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep singing. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.